The string upper method in Python returns a copy of the string converted to uppercase. Let's set up some quick code to see how upper works. We will have a string s called hello in all lowercase. If we call upper, we will see that upper returns the string hello in all uppercase. The other example you're probably wondering about is what happens in the case of strings where the case is not applicable, like numbers and symbols. So we will change s to hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 space exclamation point. If we call upper here, we will see that upper does nothing and just returns back the original string. In the case where case of a character is not applicable, or if the character is already uppercase, upper does not modify the character. The string capitalize method in Python capitalizes the first and only the first word in a string. Say you have the string a that equals the. What would you do to capitalize it? If you use the capitalize method, you'll make the first letter in the capitalized. Be warned though, if you have multiple words separated by a space in a string, capitalize only capitalizes the first word. Like and subscribe to learn more.